Hello everyone, I hope the lessons are going well for you. Today we will perform the migration process. In the n-layer architecture, each layer references the previous one. At the bottom is the entity layer, above that is the data access layer, above that is the business layer, and at the top is the presentation layer. First, let's give our references for our business and presentation layers. Right click on the business layer, add project reference. We will choose data access layer. Okay, and right click on presentation layer, add project reference. We choose business layer. Okay, let's see. Presentation layer, dependencies, projects, business layer, bottom data access layer, and entity layer. Good. All layers will also take the relevant packages as references. This package. We just need to install the design package in addition to the presentation layer. Right click, manage and get packages, and browse. Search field right, entity core, we need design package. Okay, version is 6.0.31. Install. I'm waiting. I accept, and good, transactions are complete. Okay, this package need for migrations. Now we are ready for the migration process. The migration process allows us to create a database and table with the code first method. However, we need to prepare the DB context class before the migration process. Let's go to the context folder, create a new class. Open data access layer, context folder, right click, add new class. Our class name is I'm waiting. Our class name is Foody context. Okay, add button, click, and our Foody context is create. Change to public from internal. This class will hold the connection address and table names that will be reflected in the database. The class we created will inherit from DB context. Inherit DB context. Okay, and namespace come using Microsoft Entity Framework Core. Good. The reason for inheritance is to use entity data values. Is this class inheritance process is complete. Now we will write a small connection configuration here. First, let's write our code. We need alright on configuring. We will choose. Okay, delete this line and options builder dot use SQL server, options builder dot use SQL server, and we need connection string. Here we need the connection address, the database name we will create, and the code indicating that the connection is secure. Let's write this. We need first server name, server, go to SQL and connect SQL server. We need server name, right click, copy, and cancel. Okay, and paste. Server is ready. After, we need database name, initial catalog databases. Is there any Foody DB? No, this is I will delete this Foody. Okay, Foody. Foody database, and finally integrated security true. Good. Our link address is ready. You can also keep this in app setting. So app setting is here, app setting JSON. You can also keep this in app setting JSON if you want. Actually, if you want. So these are several methods of keeping the link address. At the end of our course, our link address here will change as we take our project live. I will explain this later. Now we need to call the tables we want to reflect in database as DB set type. Prop top and delete int DB set. Okay. The simple one will be the name of our class. The plural one will be the name of our table. This way, class names and table names will not be confused. English naming standards apply here. For example, if you use a table called person here, the plural will be people, not persons. For example, open entity layer, about, db set about, and delete my property, control space, and we need about. This is our control dot, and we need using for the entity layer concrete. Is it okay? Okay, good. About is class, about is SQL table. Prop top public db set address. Our table name is addresses. Okay, and prop top public db set category s. Okay, control D category. Other class name is feature. This is features. Okay, other class name is product, and this is products. Okay, other class name is review. This is reviews or testimonials. And control D, this is sliders, and finally this is social media and social medias. Okay, good. Just we need relationship. We will create next lessons relationship on product and category. Okay, our tables are ready. Then we can perform the migration process. First, let's open the package manager console screen via the view menu. View, other windows, and package manager console. Good. There are two important situations here. First, the presentation layer should be selected as the starting project of the project. How it's do? Right click and set as startup project. This is presentation layer. And secondly, for the migration process, data access should be selected as the default project, the console screen, because our context class is located in this layer. Default project must be data access layer, and click this button, clear console. Okay, we have clear console, clean console. Good. Let's add migration. When adding migration, I give names like migration 1, migration 2, migration 3. This way I can make a date order for migrations. Add migration space migration 1. Okay, let's press enter. I'm waiting. Migrations creating. Build started and build succeed. We don't have any problem. Okay, as you can see, have a preview screen. Here we can change the data types of the columns in our table. Let's change one of them. For example, addresses, phone number, varchar max. Let's it be varchar 100 instead of varchar max. Phone number 100. And features table varchar 500. Okay, finally let's write our second migration command. Open the package manager console, save all, and what is second migration command? Update database. Okay, press enter. Build started and build succeed. Applying migration. Okay, we migrations must be on the data in the data access layer. Migrations folder is ready. Okay, right click databases, refresh, and as you can see, where is FoodyDB? This is FoodyDB. FoodyDB is ready. Tables, and our tables are ready is our database. Good, this is enough. I hope you can understand me easily. Thank you for watching this video. See you next lesson. Have a good day. Have a good time.